Follow the kings, have their queens on the throne. We will pop champagne and raise our toast.
Really?
Brings back childhood memories.
Okay, where are we at?
We're in Florence, Italy.
And doing what?
Riding on a carousel.
Really?
Yeah.
What's your horse's name?
Stella.
Stella.
And yours is Porcella.
Mine's Porcello. Anybody watching this, just FYI, this was not my idea. So I want to show you our villa in Tuscany. We actually have keys for the villa, and this is our room. They upgraded us to a superior room, and this is the largest bed I've ever seen in Europe. And panning over here is my beautiful wife, Christina. And panning back, we've got the Tuscan hills and olives and grapes and Chianti growing out there. This villa is 600 years old and has been family owned since about World War II. This is the bathroom, and Christina bets I'm going to fall down these stairs before we leave here, and we're here for 3 days. So, look forward to more footage later. Buonasera.
We are in Siena. It's this gorgeous square. Look at this. Why are you following behind me? Oh, that bell tower. So pretty here. So pretty. It's huge. Doing a real panoramic view here.
A true medieval village surrounded by a huge stone wall.
And grab that.
And we're trying to decide which restaurant to eat at. All these tarps out front are different restaurants. But this castle, this tower, it's a lot for the eyes.
And you see the moon
Oh, yeah.
right up there. It's almost 5 o'clock here, but it's like 10 o'clock in Bloomington. So.
Okay, I bought these doors for our house in Salisbury. Bueno. How about this for Euro?
So this is our hotel in Florence. This is a nice suite. It's couch number 1. And then our bathroom.
Oh, you gotta show them some weirdo features.
I love the big shower. Okay, and from my previous video, you see there's the bidet and the toilet, but now we have to do some more Googling because here is I don't know what gadget that is. Okay, so it's by the toilet, so it has to be similar to the bidet. So just be cautious for a future video on that. And there's Steven.
And the shower, which is just this huge glass door, we have a karaoke microphone.
And into the main boudoir.
Boudoir.
Couch number 2.
And we have this wonderfully weird chandelier above our bed. And another feature which we can't figure out, so we're just going to say this is what it is. Each side of the bed has one of these handles on a rope, and we don't know what they're for. We pulled them, nothing happened. So we think they must be the OS. I don't know what I just did.
You broke it. Okay, that's enough of that video.
It was a wire.
Ciao.
It must